The apartment was burgled while he was sleeping. The burglar was arrested before he could leave the store. The car will be repaired. The restaurant was fully booked. There were no free seats. The equations have to be solved. The patient must be examined. The patients are well taken care of. The bathroom has been rebuilt. Goods are transported in container ships. New cables are being installed. Air and water are polluted by old factories. A documentary film will be shown. The treasure island was discovered. Food and drinks are served to the passengers. Luggage and people are checked by security.
English is easy. It's done.
Somebody has broken the window. The window has been broken.
Somebody wrote an excellent book. The book is excellently written.
A company is building a bridge over the river. A bridge is being built.
Somebody ate my dinner. My dinner was eaten.
Somebody tore out a page from the book. A page was torn out.
Somebody painted the walls green. The walls were painted green.
Somebody planted a tree in the garden. A tree was planted in the garden.
Somebody stole my wallet. My wallet was stolen.
Why did they change the plan? Why was the plan changed?
Why did they leave the door open? Why was the door left open?
How did they steal your car? How was your car stolen?
When did they translate the book? When was the book translated?
When was the book written?
When was the book you are reading written?
It was written last year.
It was written by a famous writer.
The radio was turned on.
When was her car stolen?
When was your car stolen?
It was stolen about an hour ago.
It hasn't been stolen. You parked it somewhere else.
When was their food cooked?
When was your food cooked?
It was cooked 10 minutes ago.
This steak is really well done.
My food is not cooked.
The guests have been served.
When will the painting be finished?
When will the painting be done?
It will be done when it will be done. I am not in a hurry.
My ball has been stolen.
Her shoes were polished.
When will all the housework be done?
When will all the housework be done?
The housework will be done in about 2 hours. Then I can rest.
All the housework will be done by her.
The baby is well taken care of.
How was her car stolen?
How was the car stolen?
How could I know how it was stolen? I didn't steal it.
The car was stolen by two masked men. I saw them.
The lights were turned off.
When were the flowers planted?
When were the flowers planted?
They were planted in the spring.
The flowers are being watered.
The grass has been cut and the flowers have been watered. Let's play a little.
The grass is being cut.
How many operas are performed in the Sydney Opera House?
How many operas are performed in the Sydney Opera House?
I think only one opera is performed a day.
The Sydney Opera House is well known everywhere.
The Opera House was built in 1959. The kangaroo was later caught and transported back to the outback.
We are closed.
Okay, I am coming down.
This gym is the highest rated.
His shoes are worn every day.
What is being taught here?
Is chemistry being taught here?
No, I am teaching biology.
The lung is attacked by the virus.
The display was hit with a shoe.
How many brands are sold here?
What kind of cars are sold here?
Only one brand is sold here.
I don't want to be sold.
The cars are well made.
When was the writer's last book published?
When was your last book published?
My last book was published 2 months ago. It has been read by many people.
I am being ignored.
His music is heard very far away.
My nerves are stretched to the limit.
My ears are being destroyed.
I am the chosen one. I was chosen by God.
The drummer is hated.
A house is being built here.
Is the house being finished?
No, it isn't. It will be finished in about a week.
My house is being built.
The builder is well paid.
What is being prepared in the kitchen?
What kind of soup is being cooked?
The best soup in the world is being cooked.
Has the fish been caught yet?
The kitchen is cleaned every day.
Nothing is being bought here.
What is sold here?
Everything is sold, but nothing is being bought. The economy is really bad.
All mice are caught.
This shop was robbed 5 times in 2 months.
Why can't he run this way?
You can't run here. The road is being repaired.
His eyes are covered.
What happened here? The armchair break.
The armchair was broken.
The table set.
The table was set.
Carrots spill.
The carrots were spilled.
Oven burn.
The oven was burnt.
Treehouse build.
A treehouse was built.
The car sell.
The car was sold.
A car repair.
A car was repaired.
A criminal catch.
A criminal was caught.
Bicycles ban.
Bicycles were banned.
The piggy bank break.
The piggy bank was broken.
The post box hit.
The post box was hit.
A fire light.
A fire was lit.
Well done. Your English has been improved by watching this video. I hope that the video will be enjoyed by millions of people. The subscribe button likes to be pushed. Our next video wants to be watched and enjoyed by you.